welcome back to my channel. Today I am very excited to give you a first impressions of these. So I think the last 6 months actually has been huge for magnetic lashes. So a lot of brands are coming out with their own version. Ardell does one, and they're not available in Australia yet, but Modelco is one of the first companies to release it in Australia. So whoop, 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 whoop. So it comes in two sets, the half lashes and the full lashes. There's actually a applicator that they actually sell, which I didn't buy because I'm usually not a big fan of it, but I'm super excited to try these because I hate putting on false lashes because the glue and all that mumbo jumbo stuff just makes it really difficult for me to actually wear, and sometimes if the band is too thick it irritates my eyes like no tomorrow. So today I'm going to give them a bit of a whirl. So I'm going to start with the half lashes. So hold the top lash over your eye, position the lash on top of your natural lashes so the outside edges line up with the edge of your natural lash line. Leave the top lash where it is and pick up the bottom lash. Place the bottom lash under your natural lashes. So it holds on by clamping onto your natural lashes with magnets. And you just slide them away to remove. So that's a win for me if that works. So I can see one of my lashes looks a bit funky. So here are a close-up of the lashes. There's actually two bottom lashes. So, and they're easily removed. So just, and I actually took off both lashes. Oh, so this one is actually, I don't know if you can tell. Oops. So this one's actually two lashes that looks quite identical, and just put them on top of each other. So I'm going to try putting them on my lashes. So, whoop. According to the instruction, put it on top. So I'm actually already wearing mascara, so let's see how well this sits on top. So with my eye, it makes it slightly difficult because I have a semi-fold. No, I don't have a full fold. So it'll be interesting how it pairs up with the... Oh, okay. So I just put one side on. You can tell it's like nothing, and then boom, a lot of lashes. I think I might need to fix them. They're actually not adhering to my... It looks funny. That's actually quite fun to put on. It does take a bit of practice, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to move it a little bit further up from where I had them originally. So unlike traditional lashes where it sticks just above your lash line, this actually sandwiches your natural lashes. So you could actually, you don't actually have to worry about, you know, with when you stick a false lash on, you don't have to worry about having to use an eyeliner over the band because of the glue. However, I feel like I should have put on some eyeliner. So I'm actually used to wearing fake eyelashes with an eyeliner, and I'm actually not wearing any at the moment, but they seem to settle in fine. Let's try the other side. I say they do take a bit of practice to put on. I haven't actually put on false lashes in a while, so hence why I'm a bit nubbly. I don't know why this one's shooting up so much higher than the other one. I think it got bent in the box. Alright, I'm going to move this one further up as well. So taking them off is super easy. Ah. Oh, I know what's happening. So I'm sticking them on. The reason why this one is sticking out so much more is because I'm actually only hitting halfway through my actual natural lashes. I can't get it closer to my eyes. Ah! It definitely takes practice, I'll tell you that. My internal struggle. So these are as close as to my natural lash line I can get them. Maybe the tool will help with it. Maybe I should get a pair of tweezers to hold them on. But then I need my mirror too. It's a skill, and I think everyone's gonna put on lashes their own style. So if my lash application is making you queasy because I'm like just so blasé about it, forgive me. But here they are the look. So they do look quite long. The half sets are usually quite easy to put on because you don't have to worry about too much about the length of the entire lash line. But I'm kind of excited to try the full lash set, so let's give that one a go. It's kind of cool, like the packaging has like little tiny, two little magnets that you can just stick them back onto, so it makes it very handy. And because I don't think it's recommended to put mascara over these ones, so have mascara definitely on prior to applying the magnetic lashes. Ah, my box fell apart. Damn. Now on to the full set. Usually with false lashes, I have to cut quite a bit off because I have short little lashes. So the way you do it is you measure across your eye and pray to God they fit. I'm not going to be bothered cutting these ones. Only because the annoying thing is the magnets are right on the edges of the lashes. So you can't really trim them. If you trim them, you're not going to get the magnet and it's going to fly off. Oh, I could tell these are going to be problematic for me already. As I mentioned earlier, because I have a partial fold, I don't have a full fold. It's gonna get caught in my inner corner, and we'll see how it goes. Yep. Did not put that one on. Alright, let's give it another go. So I notice it tends to come off. So, let me bend. So the actual band itself is really thin. It's what I like. There's a bit of plastic sticking out of that one, so I have to trim that one off. But that's a bit of a bummer. So the reason why my eyelashes keep flying off is because it's missing a magnet. So on this side there's 3 and this side there's only 2. Modelco, come on! So that was a bit of a fail. So when I went to pull the 2 lashes apart, because just like the half ones, they're stuck together. But when I pulled them apart, it actually, the magnets got stuck on one side and pulled it off the other side. So now they're kind of attached. Now I only got half a magnet. Well, there goes my fools. So I'm gonna ponder what just happened. With my favorite tea. So my favorite tea is Barry's. It's an Irish breakfast tea and it's super strong, but I love it. So I just found out that I paid $16 each for the lashes. So the half and the fulls are the same price. You feel like full should be a bit more or half should be a bit cheaper, but I'm not gonna say anything. But I'm extremely disappointed. So I actually quite like the halves, but because it was just, I have such sparse lashes, it's got nothing, then boom, pa-chank, a lot of lashes. It doesn't make it look very natural, but I think I can make this one work, the half lashes, with some eyeliner. However, my biggest disappointment is with the fulls. I didn't even have a chance to even put them on my eyes and they broke. So the magnets got stuck to the other side and I just couldn't use it. You can't use it unless you put glue back on. I'm definitely going to reach out to Modelco for a bit of a feedback session and see what they say about their magnetic false lashes. So I just chucked the half size back onto my lashes. Pew 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 pew. So I really like it because you're not a big fan of the, if you're not wearing eyeliner, you can actually still get away with wearing these lashes because they don't sit on top of your lashes but actually on your lashes. So it fits in quite nice and you don't get that dark band across your lash. However, and this is a big however, I don't think the quality of these ones are as great because when you even when you gently just move the magnets, I noticed it's already starting to come off. So I reckon you'll probably use it once or twice before the magnet just rips off completely or it gets stuck on one side only, like what happened to my fools. So anyhow, that's the end of my impression. I hope you found this very useful. If you enjoyed watching it, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Bye!